How to earn satoshis in CoinPayU. How can we earn from CoinPayU? How to increase satoshis in CoinPayU. Welcome to our guide on earning satoshis with CoinPayU. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest and exciting videos. The second key to earn satoshis in CoinPayU is, if you did not watch first tutorial, watch first tutorial, then watch tutorial 2 and 3 and so on. The second key to earn satoshis in CoinPayU is, do offer and survey. There are high rewards for top offer doers. Here you can see many people who do offer and survey on daily basis. This is the region or country their people do daily offer or survey. If you want to show your country, just log in your account or select from it. Move down and check these surveys and offer. Complete them and earn money online. C. CPX Research. C. Theorem Reach, BitLabs and Polefish. These are surveys providers. Do the surveys and earn money online. Look here. Offer give you 50% more if you do offer from these. TimeWall, Agem, iStufio, and AdGate Media, and many more here. You can see here. So this was the second key to earn in the CoinPayU. See you soon in next tutorial.